Good morning. A quick catch up again. I hope it is short and quick, really. So, I quickly want to begin with this one thing that anything that I say is not that nobody else have been saying, nobody else has said, and you people don't have an access to that information on social media all over. But the point is that there are certain people in the world, and this is how life functions, this is how it works, that there are certain people who are looking for the energy who truly you would be. So, in my case, I will have to allow myself to speak, to show up, because there are people who are looking exactly for the energy that I be. There is information all over, but does information open up and trigger your life? Does that really build that momentum? Does that really open up your life? Does that really work for you? There are books, there are knowledge, you know what I'm saying. So the idea is, I hope whatever I'm about to say here today will strike a chord in somebody at least, will be a contribution to somebody at least. So let's start. uh, I again wanted to talk about that space, that energetic space. See, people are doing stuff, and there are so many people who have been very successful. They can show their results, how successful they have been in their endeavors, whatever they've been doing. And there are people who are seeking to be successful, seeking to create a mark, seeking to really show up, but then many times they don't know what do I even do. So I want to say, to begin with, it is never about what you are doing. It is never about what you do. It is about whatever you are doing. What energy are you in? From what kind of space are you doing that work? The point is, today I may not have high paid job or a thriving business or whatever it may be, but do I have a family? Do I have things to take care in my daily life? So the point is, it doesn't really matter to start with what you are doing. It matters with what sense of awareness and energy are you doing that work, that job. That can be a person living alone in a one room apartment, taking care of just one's own daily routine, whatever it is. So, the point is, this energy of desperation and that need to prove, that need to show up, and the need to really match what other people are doing, that many a times really, confuse us, disorient us in the to an extent that we just lose our real essence, our true path that we are meant for, that is true to us. So it is very important to really sit with yourself every single day to get a sense of that energy. What is true to you? If at all you want to do a business, you want to work, you want a kind of a job, you want a daily routine, whatever it may be for you, get a sense of how do you want to experience that, what kind of experience would that be. And you never know, when you get the hold of energy, when you are aware of the energy that you truly want to be, when you are executing your XYZ, whatever it is, then so many times you would know that I am able to be that energy in so many other areas that I've never explored, that I've never even thought of. So the point is, don't, to start with, don't just chase and be in a competition. There is no competition, and if you be part of the competition somewhere, it may be regretful sometime. So there is no need to be at par with anybody else, to prove to anybody else, but it is very important to be in the space wherever I am, is this making sense to me? If not, please work towards that. What is it that is not making sense to me? What else can I do that will be more of me? Make it all about yourself. When you make things about yourself, when it is around your own fulfillment, satisfaction, growth, expansion, creativity, that is when you will make sense to the world also. So just see if that opens up anything for you. Bye bye.